Hey, what's up everybody? This is Todd, and I today am giving a big shout out to Jordan Mackey. Just real quick, I can tell you I've been following Jordan since 2017, and I never buy stuff online. I never have. And then I got super excited when he put out Making Money Online, his very first video. So I bought it, and I bought it at the premium price he had, like 200 some odd bucks at the time. And then I bought the masterclass after that. Probably the day he put that out, I spent another couple $100 on it. I have the live masterclass membership premium, which is, there's so much information, you could sit there for hours and watch that. So I literally spent probably $500 plus on all his videos, and I can tell you that it was worth every dime. I refer back to these all the time. I literally have gotten two monetized YouTube channels out of it. The first one probably took me a couple months because I had no clue what I was doing. Jordan helped me. The Facebook group helped me, which is a private Facebook group that we have. And then the second time I got a monetized channel, I got it done in like a week because of everybody's help, Jordan's help, and because of these classes. Again, there is so much information on there. If you look at these, I have them up right here. If you look right here, you can see that this is 62%, 63%. I've watched those all through and through quite a few different times, two or three different, if not 5 times a piece. And I can tell you the reason they're at 62% and 63% is because Jordan always puts new information and new videos on here all the time. If there's any money that I haven't, because everybody goes, oh, how much money you make? They're always worried about how much money you make on YouTube. Whatever money I haven't made is my fault, because I'm like everybody else and I get sidetracked and I don't make it a job, which you should do on here, and get more serious about it. And because of COVID and everything, I've started back doing my channels. Again, I'm doing one sit, getting my niche. I've definitely got another niche on the other one, so I bring in enough to get by. But definitely not enough to quit my job yet like Jordan. But at the same time, it's coming. All you got to do is work hard on it, and you definitely have to get this program. He gives this stuff away to you guys for free literally now, where I've paid the premium prices for these. He literally gives these classes away for nothing compared to what he could be charging for. So I highly recommend this with all my heart. I swear these, if you follow his steps, you can make money online. And it's amazing. So thanks again, Jordan. Always great to work with you. Jordan always gets back to me when I email him or anything, any help you need. So appreciate it. Shout out to Jordan Mackey. Best classes ever. Appreciate it. Talk to you soon.